In this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer yes or no questions in English. Let's start with do questions. Do questions are used to ask about daily activities and routines. Let's see how we ask do questions, with examples. I use my phone every day. Do I use my phone every day? Yes, I do. I use my phone every day. Do I use my phone while sleeping? No, I don't. I don't use my phone while sleeping. I eat breakfast in the morning. Do I eat breakfast in the morning? Yes, I do. I eat breakfast in the morning. Do I eat breakfast at night? No, I don't. I don't eat breakfast at night. You study English every day. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. I study English every day.
Do you study French every day?
No, I don't. I don't study French every day.
Do we play football every Sunday? Yes, we do. We play football every Sunday. Do we play cricket every Sunday? No, we don't. We don't play cricket every Sunday. They order food online at night. Do they order food online at night? Yes, they do. They order food online at night. Do they cook dinner every night? No, they don't. They don't cook dinner every night. The students wear uniforms to school. Do the students wear uniforms to school? Yes, they do. The students wear uniforms to school. Do the students wear pajamas to school? No, they don't. The students don't wear pajamas to school. So, the rule for asking do questions is do plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. For example, do I like coffee? Do you like coffee? Do we like coffee? Do they like coffee?
Like the video and subscribe to practice English every day.
Now, let's see how to ask does questions. They are similar to do questions, as they are used to ask about daily activities and routines, but they are used with singular subjects like he, she, and it. Let's see each one with an example. He goes to the office by car. Does he go to the office by car? Yes, he does. He goes to the office by car. Does he go to the office by helicopter? No, he doesn't. He doesn't go to the office by helicopter. She works at the office. Does she work at the office? Yes, she does. She works at the office. Does she work from home? No, she doesn't. She doesn't work from home. Tara drinks coffee in the morning. Does Tara drink coffee in the morning? Yes, she does. Tara drinks coffee in the morning. Does Tara drink tea in the morning? No, she doesn't. Tara doesn't drink tea in the morning. It gets hot in summer. Does it get hot in summer? Yes, it does. It gets hot in summer. Does it get cold in summer? No, it doesn't. It doesn't get cold in summer. The rule for asking does questions is does plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. For example, does he like coffee? Does she like coffee? Does it taste good?
Like the video and subscribe to practice English every day.
Now let's see how to ask can questions. They are used to ask about ability, permission, and possibility. Let's start with how to ask can questions about ability. Ability is what a person can do. He can swim. Can he swim? Yes, he can. He can swim. Can he fly? No, he can't. He can't fly. She can drive a car. Can she drive a car? Yes, she can. She can drive a car. Can she fly a plane? No, she can't. She can't fly a plane. Next, permission means asking for approval to do something. Can I come in? Yes, you can. Can I sit here? Yes, you can. We can use phones at a cafe. Can we use phones at a cafe? Yes, we can. We can use phones at a cafe. Can we use phones in the exam hall? No, we can't. We can't use phones in the exam hall. Then, possibility means something can happen or cannot happen. It can rain today. Can it rain today? Yes, it can. It can rain today. Can it snow today? No, it can't. It can't snow today. Can this bag carry all the books? No, it can't. The bag can't carry all the books. Can this bag carry all the books? Yes, it can. It can carry all the books. So, to ask a can question, we start with can, then the subject, then the base form of the verb. For example, can I come in? Can he come in? Can she come in? Can we come in? Next, let's see am questions. Am questions are used with the subject, I. We use them to ask about ourselves. I am ready for school. Am I ready for school? Yes, I am. I am ready for school. Am I ready for school? No, I'm not. I am not ready for school. Am I studying now? Yes, I am. I am studying now. Now, let's see the rules to ask am questions. First, we use am questions for actions happening now. The rule is am plus I plus the verb with ing. For example, am I studying? Am I sleeping? Am I working? Next, we use am questions to talk about a state or condition. The rule for this is am plus I plus an adjective. For example, am I late? Am I ready? Next, let's see how to ask is questions. Is questions are used to ask about place or situation, ongoing actions, and feelings or states. We use is with the subjects, he, she, and it. Now, let's see each one with an example. Let's start with place or situation. He is at the bus stop. Is he at the bus stop? Yes, he is. He is at the bus stop. Is he at the airport? No, he isn't. He isn't at the airport. Now, let's ask questions about ongoing actions. She is working in the office. Is she working in the office? Yes, she is. She is working in the office. Is she working from home? No, she isn't. She isn't working from home. It is raining now. Is it raining now? Yes, it is. It is raining now. Is it snowing now? No, it isn't. It isn't snowing now. Now, let's ask questions about feelings. She is tired. Is she tired? Yes, she is. She is tired. Is she excited? No, she isn't. She isn't excited. So the rule for asking is questions is use is, then the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. For example, is she working? Is she tired? Is she at home? Next, let's see how to ask are questions. Like is questions. Our questions are used to ask about ongoing actions and feelings. But we use are with the subjects you, we, and they. Now, let's see each one with an example. We are hungry. Are we hungry? Yes, we are. We are hungry. Are we full? No, we aren't. We aren't full. They are going to school. Are they going to school? Yes, they are. They are going to school. Are they going to the theater? No, they aren't. They aren't going to the theater. So, the rule for asking are questions is use are, then the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. For example, are you tired? Are we tired? Are they tired?
Like the video and subscribe to practice English every day.